Good morning, students. In the last class, we studied about that in a reproduction from plants onwards. Yes, Dharma. So we know that parts of the plant, that is a root, stem, then leaves. Apart from that, it having that in a reproductive part also. Okay. So the second part in the lesson 5, it is in a plant modification. So what are the modifications is here means always the root it do the function of absorb the nutrients and give support. Stem it support that in a whole plant. Then leaves it produce that in a food. Okay ma. So this is a normal function it's done by that in a plants. Apart from that some new function also is done by that in a plant, that is for that it getting that in a some adaptations. So excess of some modification is occur. So in this lesson we are going to see about that in a plant modification. So this is the overview point. You see that this is all it is in a roots. Here in a roots it having that in a store food. Store food is done by leaf only, but here it is in a root doing the storing function. Mechanical support of roots, then gas exchange, that is always done by the in a leaf only, but here done by in a root. Then sucking roots, gascuta. Okay. Then modification of stem. So stem it do the function of support only, but here it produce a food. Here for make us in a float. Here that is colocasia. It is the underground stem. Stem it is placed in a underground. Okay. Then leaf. Leaf here modified into thorns. That is the spines. Here root it may stem it makes us leaves it having a modification of root like structure for support. It is a climbing root. Dendrils, that is we call the dendrils. Then here it is make us in a payload. The leaves it having a modification. Then drops, that is a insectivorous plants. The leaves it eat the insects for getting a nitrogen. Okay. The first one we are going to see about a modification of roots. So in a modification of roots, this is all roots. This is all it is in a roots. It store that in a food. For example, carrot. It is a shape in a cone shape. The top is a broad and the end is a tapering. That is we called as in a conical shaped root. Cone shape, so that is we called as in a conical shaped root. Another one it is in a radish. Both side it is in a tapering, center only it is in a broad. So it is this shape we called a spindle. Example is a radish. It is in a both side it is having in a tapering, center it is having as in a broad. The next one root is a top shaped root, that is a pambaramari shape. That is it is having us in a bulge, immediately it is getting that in a tapering. That is example is a beetroot and a turnip. This is a root done by that in a storage. Here root it done by that in a support. Okay. So what is that it having means banyan tree, it is a very big tree. It is lives in many years. So for the purpose it is grow as in a very large. The root it is not possible to support as in a whole. So from that the branch or it is produced that in a root for support. That is we called as in a prop root. The next one is a sugar cane. It is we called as a stit root. So in this root it is having us the support is not enough from that in a root onwards. So stem it is produced that in a small roots, that is we called as in a stit root. The next one is a climbing root. So root in a pit, pital means வெத்தலை கொடி இருக்கலாமா, black pepper likewise. So it is in a climbing root. So the root it is developed from that in a node and internode onwards. Node means where it is developed a leaf, that place we called as a node. For supporting purpose it is produced from the stem onwards. So all the three, prop root, stit root, climbing root, all the three it is produced that in a support. The next one is a breathing root. Breathing root in mangrove forest it is produced that in a Avicennia. So mangrove forest it is having us in a salt content in a more. So here not having that in a ability to gaseous exchange. So the purpose the root from that in a water onwards it is coming in outside. That is the root we called as in a nematophos or breathing root. It is used for in a breathing. Okay, the next one is a Astoria root. Astoria root it is nothing but in a present in a Gascuta plant. It is a one of the parasite. Another one tree onwards it is grow for sucking purpose. It is produce the root inside the host plant onwards and suck the nutrients, water, all those things from that in a host plant onwards. Example is a Gascuta plant. The next one, modification of stem. So can you guess what is common between the ginger, onion bulb, potato? Yes, all it is in a stem only. Okay, so in this in a stem it is modified for that in a food storage and a vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means if we cut the plant and keep it that in a stem means it is able to produce a new plant. That is we called as a vegetative modification propagation. So for the purpose it is in a aerial and subaerial and underground stem also there. So first one, aerial modification. Aerial modification means it is in a phylloclade. You see that it is in a cactus plant. You see that stem here. Yes, how it is? Uh, it is present in that in a desert area. So it avoid that in a evaporation. The leaves it's convert into thorns, that is in a spines. முள்ளு மாதிரி லீவ்ஸ் வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆயிரும். ஸோ how it is able to produce food means the stem only it is modified into broad in structure or produce that in a food. That is we called as a phylloclade. Phyllo means leaf, leaf like stem, that is only we called as a phylloclade. The next one is a subaerial modification. The stem of some plants remains subaerial. Subaerial means that is in climbing plant it is having us in a some horizontal growth. It is happen from the inner surface of the soil from the purpose of reproduction. There are 4 types. The first one is a runner, the stem which grow laterally on the surface of the soil. Okay, soil in a lateral manner it is grows means it breaks to produce a roots which touch ground to keep rise to new plant. Okay, so these stem it is grow as in a straight manner only, but when it is in a touch in a ground it is produce a new plant. Okay, that is we called as in a scintilla Vallarai it grows likewise only, Cinderella. Okay, ma'am. The next one is a stolon. Stolon, it is a branch of the stem. Okay, so it is growing in a grows upward and to some distance. The stem it is having asana up only. So after that, in a some distance, when it's in a touch to the ground, that place it is produce a new root and a new plant it is produce. Strawberry, wild strawberry, it grow likewise only. The next one is a succus. So we saw that in a runner. Stolen, runner means it is standing straight only. So stolen, it is in a ground onwards it's growing. Then next one is a succus. Succus is a short and a weak lateral branch. Okay, so example is the chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemum flower, So that is its grow likewise. Okay, ma. The next one, offset. Offset is a short and a thick branch. Okay, the branch is so thick from the axial plant part of the leaf. So it's having in a internode. So it produces that in a duff of leaves cluster of small roots below echinaria. You see that the stem it is produced that in a roots, small roots for floating purpose. Example echinaria. வெங்காய தாமரைன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இதை. Then underground modification. Okay, so up to that we saw that in a subaerial modification. So now we are going to see about that in a underground modification. So in underground modification means that is stem grow in the soil. Okay, stem grow in the soil and it is do that in other functions, storage, likewise it is do the function. Okay, rhizomes, corms, tuber, bulb. Rhizome, corm, tuber, bulb. So rhizome, you see that it is in a turmeric is an example for in a rhizome. So scale leaves acts in nodes, the stem nodes it is produced that in a it is having in that in a these turmeric convert. So only it is we called as in a stem. So only it is when we mention as in a stem. Okay, ma'am. So buds also it is having what are the parts it is able to see from the stem, the same parts it is able to see from the turmeric also. The ginger also it is coming that in this rhizome character only. Then corm, it is a round in shape and flat at the top and bottom. Okay, so it is having likewise condensed form of the rhizome and bear one or more buds. So it is also having a buds, it is having that daughter plant rise from the buds. So the plants it grow from that in a colocasia is the example for that. The next one is a tuber. You see that in a tuber here. Tuber is a potato is the example for that. So here enlarged spherical underground stem it is having that in a ice means that buds it is developed from the but this ice part onwards. Example is a potato. The last one is a bulb. So bulb, what is that in a function it is doing means it is condensed stem, disc-like and store food in the fleshy leaves. Leaves only it store that in a food. Okay, ma. The bulb have two types, fleshy leaves and scaly leaves. Okay, so upper part of the stem has terminal but is covered by many scaly leaves. Okay, the leaves are very scaly in nature. Okay, the leaves are very scaly in nature. So in a fleshy leaves, so this is also leaves only. So in a fleshy leaves seen in a garlic and a onion. Okay ma. So next, the last part we are going to study about that in a modification of leaf. Okay, leaf, what are the modification it is having means, that is, it is always do the function of the photosynthesis. Okay ma. So what is the function, any other function doing means, the first one, it is in a opentia. Here, avoid that in a evaporation, the leaves it is converted into spines. Okay ma. So spines means uh, it does not do the function of photosynthesis. The next one is a tendril. Tendril means the leaves here, for support purpose, it is modified into the tendrils. Okay ma. Pisum sativum, that is in a pea plant also, it is produced that in a some support, for climbing purpose, the leaves modified into tendril. Pillowed. Pillowed in acacia. Acacia means அரளி செடி. ஸோ இதோட petioles expand to form leaf like structure. ஸோ petiole means leaf stalk. ஓகே, லீஃப்லோட காம்பு, ஸோ அது என்னவா சேஞ்ச் ஆகிருக்குன்னா, leaf like structure it is changed, that is for in a photosynthesis. The last one is the drops. So you see that this flask shaped structure, flask மாதிரி இருக்காமா, this flask shaped structure, it is present in a Nepenthes leaf. So what is the function it is doing means, it eat the insects. Why it is eat the insect means, in this plants it's grow in that in a nitrogen less presenting areas. So it eat the insects and get that in a nitrogen from that onwards. So flask shaped structure it is modified. So after eating the insects, the this shape of that in a drops, it is inside, it is present that in a digestive enzymes. Okay, and it fill that in a needs of nitrogen. So one more time, today we saw that in a plant modification, store the food, mechanical support, gas exchange, sucking root, aerial modified, subaerial modified. Aerialனா ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டாக ஏரில் நிற்கிறது, சபேரியல்னா கிரவுண்டோட நியர்பையில் இருக்குது, அண்டர் கிரவுண்ட்னா டவுன் இன் தட் இன் soil inside it is present. Here leaf modification, spines modification, tendril modification do the function of photosynthesis. Then drops means it flask shaped structure modification of leaf and eat insects. Thank you.